everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayush Shearer and I hope you all are doing great. Since Diwali is around the corners, so I thought why not do a Diwali series. So today's video is going to be the first video for my Diwali series. For today's video, I will be showing you my jewelry collections, my Afghani, silver, oxidized, golden, all sorts of jewelry, but not the western jewelries that I'm going to be keeping for another video. So yes, if you want to see the future Diwali series videos, then for that you have to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And without much further ado, let's get started with the video. Starting off showing you my collection, the first earring that I will be showing is these that I'm wearing currently. Beautiful silver, झुमकाज ही कह लो क्योंकि तीन अलग अलग झुमकाज लटके हुए हैं, तीन डिफरेंट साइजेस के, एंड टुगेदर दे लुक सो प्रिटी. आई जस्ट लव these earrings. I got them recently and they are really cheap, but quality is A1, guys. This is one of my favorites, like literally, and I got them for like 60 or 70 rupees, I think. एंड ये मेरे को मेरे घर के पास ही एक स्टोर से मिला. एंड आई मीन इट्स नॉट अ स्टोर एक्चुअली, वो फुटपाथ पे देयर वाज दिस अंकल हु वाज सेलिंग दीज ईयररिंग्स. एंड जहाँ पे भी मुझे सिल्वर ईयररिंग्स दिख जाते हैं मैं वहाँ पे रुक जाती हूँ, लाइक लिटरली मैं वहाँ पे जस्ट रुक जाती हूँ. एंड यस, आई गॉट देम एंड आई वाज रियली शॉक्ड व्हेन ही टोल्ड मी द प्राइस, बिकॉज इतने चीप नहीं आते ये earrings. And yeah, they are so pretty. I can literally talk about all these earrings बहुत ज़्यादा, like मैं ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ लेकिन अभी ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. I have got a lot of earrings to show to you guys. So moving on. Next piece of earring that I will be showing you are these tassel earrings. They have black tassel एंड ये काफ़ी ट्रेंड में चल रहा है आजकल. काफ़ी साल से ये ट्रेंड में चल रहा है. एंड अगेन दिस वन आई गॉट फ्रॉम द सेम अंकल फ्रॉम whom आई गॉट दीज पेयर ऑफ earrings. Guess the price, like literally guess the price. They are just for $50. Oh my god, when you wear these na, I'm telling you, you're not gonna feel anything. ये इतने लाइट वेट है and they are so pretty. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द अंकल सो मच, तो मैंने जो बाकी ईयररिंग्स उनसे लिए हैं मैं एक ही साथ दिखा के झंझट ख़त्म करती हूँ. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू नो द एड्रेस, आई विल मेंशन इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. यू कैन चेक इट आउट. दिस इज़ द लास्ट पेयर ऑफ ईयररिंग्स दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम हिम. ओके, आई एम सो क्लमजी ना समटाइम्स, लाइक लिटरली. Now I will be showing you the earrings that I got from New Market, and mostly I buy my earrings or any sort of jewelry from New Market or Garya Hut or maybe sometimes from Amazon, but अभी तक मैंने कोई Instagram store try नहीं किया है, but soon I will try it and I will let you guys know. The earrings that I got from New Market are as follows. So this is the first pair of earrings that I got from New Market. ये काफ़ी पुरानी earrings है. They are really beautiful. They are not exactly, silver jewelry sort of earrings, but they're actually black in color and has a bit of golden color in them, and oxidized there, and very beautiful. Like the design it looks very nice. Now the second pair that I will be showing you is these, my another favorite earrings. It is actually green in color, has yellow, then golden, and काफ़ी प्यारे color combination है, and it literally suits with anything and everything. Now the third pair of earrings that I got from New Market are these colorful silver earrings. They are really pretty and very unique. Like I have hardly seen silver earrings to be this colorful. They usually come in one color maybe, and so yeah, they are really beautiful. Next pair of earrings from New Market are these maroonish red small earrings. Very beautiful, very sturdy, and very cheap. Like I got these earrings for 30 rupees only from New Market, and लगता भी नहीं है ये 30 rupees का. Like literally they are so pretty, so versatile, and so sturdy. Last pair of earrings that I own from New Market are these beautiful baby pink and goldenish sort of earring. I'll be showing you the earrings that I received as gifts. एक मेरे को पूजा में मिला था और एक मेरे बर्थडे के लिए. So these are the ones, like the silver ones that I got for Durga Puja. Love wearing silver earrings, yeah. I'm totally obsessed. So the next earring that I received as a gift for my birthday are these. Diksha, I love you for this. Like literally, thank you so much. Now coming to the earrings that I got from Garya Hut. I own a lot of earrings, mostly in my jewelry collection, and I love wearing earrings. So you are going to see earrings mostly. First pair are these beautiful golden jhumkis, whatever you call it. I mean, so pretty. There's another golden earring from Garya Hut, which are these ones. I love these earrings for this color especially. It is really hard to find earrings in these colors. And the Nathni, guys. And it looks like this. Actually, मैंने ये matching करके ली थी अपने earrings के साथ because I needed it for a function. So yes, this is how you wear it. Guys, the next set of earrings that I'm going to be showing you are the ones that I got from one of my neighborhood friends. She sells them. So yes, the first pair of earrings are these silver oxidized ones. Super beautiful. Now the second pair is this one, which I got recently for Durga Puja. Very beautiful detailing, very pretty earrings. I just love them. Last pair of earring. Yes, last pair. So ये भी मैंने उसी से लिया है. And so pretty, especially the color is so beautiful. You can wear it with any color of clothes and any type of clothes, and I have worn these like so many times for my styling videos, I think. So yeah, and finally one neck piece to show you guys. So yes, ये मैंने शांति निकेतन से लिया था. I love wearing it with my kurtis or my white shirt, and this is super amazing to wear. Ow. Okay. हाँ, तो बेसिकली ये ऐसे सॉर्ट ऑफ आता है. दिस इज़ नॉट चोकर बट बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा भी नहीं है. सो वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. फाइनली द लास्ट पीस ऑफ ज्वेलरी दैट आई ओन इज this neck piece. Again, this is actually a choker sort of a neck piece. Yeah, see, इसकी earrings भी आई थी इसके साथ, बट मैंने वो कहीं गुम कर दिए है एंड मेरे को वो मिला. So guys, that was it for my jewelry collection. And do let me know in the comment section कि आपको सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा कौन सा लगा. To see the other video where you will be seeing my trendy jewelry collection, you have to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you real soon in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, and happy festive month, guys. Please take care of yourselves, stay at home as much as possible. मैं ये हमेशा बोलती हूँ and I really mean it. So yes, I'll take your leave. Bye.